Are you searching for the CNC controller? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC controllers in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. XHC Ethernet 3/4/6 axis MACH3 CNC Kit Motion Control. Support all versions of MACH3, only suitable for Windows operating system, only Ethernet interface. You need to set the IP communication address when using it, refer to page 20. Support spindle speed feedback function, support resume function after power failure, support up to 10 meters of Ethernet cable. No need to install drivers, plug and play, support up to 6-axis linkage, including jog 6-axis linkage, depending on the model. The number of supported axes is different, with 2000 kHz pulse output, support differential signal output, support servo/stepper motor, with status indicator. It can prompt the connection status. MACH3 connection status. During operation, various states are clear at a glance. It has 16 input ports, 8 output ports and supports extended input and output ports. All I/O ports are fully isolated, with strong anti-interference and stable performance. Support spindle PWM speed control output, support spindle pulse direction output, support spindle 0 to 10V analog voltage speed control output, 184 by 127 by 30 mm, aluminum shell, shielding interference, stable and reliable.